probably don't know me, and some of you do. Yes, I teach in upper school, but this year I am also helping as the Language Institute coordinator. The Language Institute is a part of athletics and extended learning. And we've been working very, very hard because this morning I have a group of students. Come along. Yes, you know them. I call them the supervisors. Yes, because they're super. They've been learning English for 1 year. Hi, yes, you know them all. Yes. Okay, now, yes, I know you know them. We have also with us Daniel Velarde. Please give him a round of applause because he's been working very hard, and we brought you a song this morning. We are the world. So if you know the words, you can sing along. Okay? Thank you very, very much, and give them a round of applause. Thank you so much.